Hi teacher, my name is Jorge Rodriguez. I explained that for the recipe lasagna. List of ingredients with no sugar. One package of 400 grams of lasagna. 50 of olive. One big onion. 4 fresh tomatoes. 6 by leaf. 3 basil leg. 60 100 milliliters of milk. 1 tablespoon of flour. 1 tablespoon of butter. 200 grams of mozzarella cheese. 80 grams of grated cheese. 400 grams of ground beef. 2 chicken breast. Proceed to prepare the recipe. Step 1. Chop the onions and put it in a pan with hot oil. Step 2. Cook hot the onions a few minutes. Next add the ground beef with the tomatoes, bay leaves and basil leaves. Step 3. Let cook for a few minutes on low fire. Step 4. In a pan, cook the chicken, breads and they crumble thin. Step 5. In a pot melt the butter and the egg, the tablespoon of flour, mixing blood, leaving look, let it cook for 3 minutes, and then you need low fry. No, step 6. At the hot milk and mixing your meat, see the desired thickens in the sauce. Step 7. Add the chicken crumble and if you become camping salt. Step 8. You need a sandwich, put a little oil in the mug, add the left of packets of lasagna, net and the sauce and mozzarella cheese. Step 9. Add other left of lasagna and chicken sauce, white and mozzarella cheese, and in the last the julep put grand cheese. Step 10. Finally bake for 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.